Let us discuss geometrical interpretation of concept of envelopes. Envelope is that curve which touch every member of family of curves or family of surfaces exactly at one point tangentially. Or we have it is the locus of limiting positions of points of intersection of any two curves of the family when one curve of the family is kept fixed and its consecutive member tends to coincide with the fixed first member. If you consider this family of curves, then we have this curve which is tangential to each of these curves will be the required envelope. For this family of circles, we have two envelopes which are curves which touch each member of the family tangentially. If you consider family of circles, we have a circle obtained which touch each line in the family of straight lines, and this circle is the curve which touch every member in the family of straight line, and hence the envelope is a circle. It's not always compulsory that every family of curves considered will have envelopes. For example, when you consider family of concentric circles, in this case there exists no envelope because you cannot find a curve which touch every member of this family, and hence family of concentric circles does not have envelope. Suppose you consider a family of straight lines given by the equation y equals mx plus a by m, where a is a constant and m is the parameter, which means that when you give different values for m, you will get different members or different straight of this family. Let us consider one straight line of this family given by equation 1, where parameter m equals value m1. That is y equals m1x plus a by m1 is one of the straight lines which belong to this family. Let us consider its consecutive line or consecutive member in this family given by equation 2, which is obtained by giving the value m1 plus delta m for the parameter m. Delta m is a very small value, and hence we consider equation of line represented by equation 2 is the consecutive line to equation 1. Considering equations 1 and you will keep m1 as fixed and delta m as a variable. Since you consider delta m as a variable, when delta m tends to 0, we have line given by equation 2 coincides with line given by equation 1. If you solve equation 1 and to find out x and y, you will get x equals a by m1 multiplied to m1 plus delta m, and y equals a multiplied to m1 plus delta m upon m1 multiplied to m1 plus delta m. Since line 1 intersects line 2, on solving equations 1 and 2, we will get these expressions of x and y. In these expressions of x and y, when you give delta m tends to 0, you get x equals a by m1 square and y equals 2a divided by m1. xy equals a by m1 square 2a divided by m is actually the limiting point of intersection of line 1 and line 2. Following the same procedure, for each straight line in the family of straight lines considered, we can find out limiting point of intersection of each straight line with its consecutive straight line, and the locus of all these limiting positions of point of intersection of one member of family of curves with its consecutive member will give us envelope. In general, when you consider equation of family of curves f of xy alpha equals 0, where alpha is the parameter, we have f of xy alpha plus delta alpha is the consecutive member to the curve f of xy alpha, and we have limit delta alpha tending to 0 applied on f of xy alpha plus delta alpha minus f of xy alpha divided by delta alpha equals 0, from which we have first order partial derivative of f of xy alpha with respect to parameter alpha will be 0. On solving these two equations, we will get the desired envelope.